Good morning students, standard 5. Today we are going to start children first chapter, history of computer. Okay. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about evolution of computer. Evolution of computer means here development of computer, how computer came into existence. Okay. Computer which you see today, okay, it was not same. It was not like the computer which you see today at its beginning. Okay, when it was invented, so it was very different from the present one. Okay, so that history we are going to discuss about the development of computer. Okay. Now you see the word computer. Okay, computer means a machine which can compute. Compute means calculation. Okay, which can do calculation. So computer was invented for calculation. But nowadays you can see computer can do several things, not only calculation but many things. From standard 1 you are learning, watching movies, listening music, playing games, drawing, many things you can do on computer. So today its purpose, its name is computer, still its name is computer, but different things we can do on computer. Okay, so this is computer. Now before discussing about the development of computer, first we will discuss about calculating devices, early computing devices. Okay. This is your first topic also given in this chapter. This is your first chapter, history of computer, at page number 7. So children, whenever you start video, you open your book first, okay, so that you can come to know which topic we are going to deal with. Okay, so your topic is early computing devices. Okay, so early age में from that time man had started doing calculation. When man had started cultivation, he had started rearing animals. Okay, so he was needed to do calculation. Okay, because number of animals he had to count them, add animals, addition and subtraction was needed. Okay, so not complex calculation but simple addition and subtraction was needed that time. Okay, so simple calculation he was doing with fingers and with stones. Okay, but when he had large number of animals, he had started in large area, cultivation started in large area. So he was needed machine, okay, which can do means large addition, okay, little complex addition which is beyond his capacity of his finger, capacity addition on stones. Okay, so he was needed a machine. So 5,000 years ago, abacus was invented to do that addition and subtraction, but fast and accurate machine was invented. Okay, so abacus was the first calculating device. Okay, it was mechanical device. It was made up with a wooden frame. You can see its picture given in your book too. This is abacus. Okay, wooden frame you can see. Several rods are here and beads are also there. So through these beads and this setup of rods, addition and subtractions can be done. Okay, so people were using that time abacus. Nowadays also some Asian countries, okay, people still using this abacus for fast calculation, for fast addition and subtraction. Okay, so abacus was the first calculating device. It was invented 5,000 years ago. Okay, so first calculating device. Then turn page. Second device is Napier bone. Second device name is Napier bone. Its name is given on its inventor's name. Inventor was John Napier. John Napier had invented this Napier bones device for calculation in the year 1640. Okay, so he had made this device. He had used some rods. Okay, some people say he had used bones, so its name is given bones. Okay, so he had marked numbers on the rods, and numbers were arranged in such a way that addition and subtraction and multiplication and division, okay, these can be performed easily, very fast and accurate on this Napier bones device. Its picture is given here. You can see numbers are marked here. Okay, so it is such arrangement. This is such type of arrangement of numbers. So easily addition and subtraction, multiplication and division or calculation could be done. Okay, so in 1614, John Napier had invented Napier bones device. Yes. Okay, then in 1642, Mr. Blaise Pascal, his picture is given here. Mr. Blaise Pascal had invented Pascaline machine. He had invented Pascaline machine in 1642. Now in this machine you can see in this picture, it is a rectangular box, wooden box, and over this box dialing wheels are there. Okay, dialing wheels. If you have seen telephone dial, where you can dial number. So these are dials, and 0 to 9 digits were arranged on these wheels. Okay, so by dialing numbers, addition and subtraction was done. Okay, so it had 8 movable wheels. Okay, dialing wheels were there, and it was capable. This machine was capable to do addition and subtraction very fast, very easily, and with accurate result. Okay, so Pascaline was invented by Mr. Blaise Pascal. So it was a calculating device, mechanical calculating device. Clear? So Napier bone, it came in 1640. Okay, Pascaline came into 1642 here. 1642. Then Stadt-Ragner has come. This machine. Okay. Now this machine was an improvement over this Pascaline machine. So Mr. Gottfried Leibniz, he had invented Stadt-Ragner machine. Okay. He had just tried to improve this Pascaline machine. Okay, because you see, Pascaline was only performing addition and subtraction, but this Leibniz, it is also called, this Stadt-Ragner is also called Leibniz calculator. So this Ragner machine, not only doing addition and subtraction, but also multiplication and division. Okay, so it was possible to do. And this machine came into existence in the year 1671. Okay, 1671, invented by Gottfried Leibniz. Okay, so every inventor's name, his machine name, and the invention year, these you have to learn, you have to memorize. Okay, because these things can be asked in your exams. Is it clear? Now, next is difference engine and analytical engine. These two engines developed by Mr. Charles Babbage. Mr. Charles Babbage. Mr. Charles Babbage, as you know, Mr. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Okay, he is known as father of computer. He was named father of computer because of this machine he had invented, analytical engine. Okay, so these two machines. He was an English mathematician. He was English mathematician. His job was like that. He had to do complex calculation. Okay, during his job, he had to deal with tables. Okay, so complex tables, complex calculation he had to do. So for this he had tried to make a machine which can do fast calculation and accurate. Accuracy was needed. In every machine you see, every machine, it was invented because the need of accuracy and fast calculation was always needed. Okay, behind the evolution of these machines, development of machines, the need was there, fast. Was the need of fast and accuracy. Okay, it was there. So a difference engine and analytical engine. First he had invented difference engine in the year 1822. Okay, in 1822, difference engine he had designed. Mr. Charles Babbage had designed in 1822. It was mechanical calculating engine. Mechanical calculating engine. Okay. Then in year 1833, after 10 years, 1833, he had designed, Mr. Charles Babbage had designed analytical engine. Okay. So in this analytical engine, when he was designing this machine, so he had used concept of IPO, input, process and output. Now modern age computer, you see, in that also we use this same concept, input, process and output. Okay, so in analytical engine he had used this concept. There was memory also, storing capacity. Okay, in this analytical engine it was not only taking input, it was taking input, processing input, storing it in the machine and showing the output. Okay, so it was designed such a way so that whole concept which we use in modern computers, so this concept was given by Mr. Charles Babbage. That is why we call Charles Babbage as the father of computer. He is known as father of computer, Mr. Charles Babbage. Okay, so these are machines. These are early. Okay, so children, these are early computing devices we had discussed. Okay, so first we had discussed abacus, first mechanical calculating device, then Napier bones invented by Mr. John Napier in the year 1614, then Pascaline machine invented by Mr. Blaise Pascal in the year 1642. Pascaline machine, then Stabreachner invented by Gottfried Leibniz. This is also called Leibniz calculator. In 1671 it was invented. Then difference engine came into existence in the year 1822, and then analytical engine. After 10 years, analytical engine was designed by Mr. Charles Babbage in 1833. So the engine he had developed, he had used all the modern computers concept. It means modern computers concept is totally based on Mr. Charles Babbage, which he had used in the analytical engine machine, where input, processing, then storing data, these things were there. Then finally it was showing output also, giving output. So machine was fast, was accurate machine. Okay, so this was the history of early computing devices. Now in next video, children, we will discuss about computer development. Okay, how computer was evolved. So it is in different. 5 generation development time was there. So we will discuss in next video about that. So till then, goodbye. Stay at home.